reason I'm making this video, and hopefully more videos in the future, is because I think it'd be interesting to document this process. If I can turn this into a sustainable thing that I could do full time. And I don't know how that's gonna go. I don't know how these videos are gonna go. I don't know if these videos will be interesting, but it's kind of an experiment to see if this is something worth pursuing. So it's Saturday morning, a few days before Christmas, and right now, so I feel like, I struggle with this a lot. I feel like I should be working, on the sofa, because Kimmy's out getting breakfast with a friend, and I have some time where I could be working on it, but I need to not work sometimes. I'm definitely a workaholic, and I am gonna spend some time reading, because reading is fun and good. So what I'm reading right now is Tribe of Mentors, Tim Ferriss book. Got it from work during a Christmas swap. Stole it from Marcus. That's right, Marcus. And I'm gonna enjoy a cup of coffee and actually try not to work today. So we'll see how that goes. So this is the first time I'm really diving into the code since the 2.0 release. One of the major things I have to do is to refactor how I'm handling the network calls for really detailed pages. So like when you tap on a book or a movie and it loads all the detail in, like the synopsis and cover and all that stuff. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do that, but we'll figure it out, I guess. I'm feeling pretty good about fixing up this network code. You know, I've learned there's just so many freaking highs and lows with making this stuff. You know, you have these moments where a problem is so difficult and you don't even know which questions to ask. So, you know, you're just like in like a black hole, and you're like, shit, I don't know what to do. I'm never gonna be able to figure this out. And then when you do figure stuff out, it's extremely rewarding. So it's really, are you gonna eat my cookie? I was gonna be working on reordering and dragging items within a list. So you can reorder your list however you wanted to and all that stuff, but there's actually a lot of complications with this. Because I would have to update the data model, and there's a lot of complications with that. I'm not sure that's the best approach long term. One of the things I've been thinking about is different ways to order things in your list. So for instance, I want to order by the date I added it. I want to order alphabetically, that kind of stuff. And that, in my head right now, that interferes with a user like manually setting the order for things. So I'm not sure how to approach this yet, because I feel like they're conflicting. They may not be, but they seem to be conflicting right now. So the next thing on the list is to create a picker view, right? The list picker view. This should be pretty straightforward, because I think I can basically just copy this, because it's really just this view. This is like the home screen view, with a few adjustments, but it's basically the same thing. Oh, and Ross likes to chase the mouse cursor on the screen. So I'm feeling good. Figured out the moving things between lists and bulk deleting things. Ross is chasing me. Look at him. He wants to jump up. He wants me to hold him. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm not ready. My hands. Anyway, feeling good because that was kind of a bitch to do. Like figuring out how to, like the logic between moving things from one list to the next and all the different edge cases that you have to think of. That was pretty tough. And Ollie helped a little bit at the end with some of the UI stuff. So now I am gonna make some dinner, and me and Ross has been trying to jump up on me all day. Because I've been home today. Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna get some dinner, and then I'm gonna sit right on the sofa over there. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, so that's it for this release. Sofa 2.2, version 2.2, is now available in the App Store. The big changes there are you can now move items between lists. If, say, you started a list and now you want to move it somewhere else. The activity view, you can now click on one of the items and see the detail information about it. And then if you want, you can then re-add that to a list. And then there's just a bunch of bug fixes too. If you have ideas for where you'd like Sofa to go, or problems that you see in Sofa, please send an email or a comment on this video. So thank you.